Oh no, the owner of this AMG ML63 is giving Commander Liu another challenge. I have to say, our Master Hu really knows how to have fun, he said.
I'll do whatever the leader wants. The leader's taste is my taste. It elevates me so much that I can't come down. What taste do I have? This is harder than an exam.
In the end, we still have to thank the fans for their trust and support. For such high-quality fans, let's give Commander Liu 100 of them. Next, let's spend 10 minutes together looking forward to the transformation of this ML63.
I've been
Take one more second to remove the interior. After removing the interior, remove the exterior. Accessories are neatly arranged, ready for one person per machine to assemble the engine. The car owner said that the interior color was decided by Captain Lou, so they chose Captain Lou's recent favorite, a Mercedes original clock paired with black, which is calm, visually appealing, and high-end. The original metal trim was changed to solid wood.
I want to give this car owner a big surprise because I have already fallen in love with this AMG ML63 and I've been driving it for nearly 10 years. The performance of the engine, transmission and chassis is not good anymore, and the deep Chinese style interior looks too depressing. This time handing it over to Captain Liu for a complete makeover. Loading it up now, let's look forward to the results together.
After painting, prepare to apply adhesive pads for soundproofing. Assembly complete. Commander Liu will first conduct a round of quality inspection. Write down all the issues and improve them one by one. Then go out for a test drive. It's already dark.
To your heart, take me to your soul.
The car in front is polished, surprisingly beautiful. Apply a car wrap to protect the new paint.